Welcome back, Bacho, and let's talk about something which no one is talking about. That if there is something which is difficult, and in middle of that task, your mind usually say, I can't do this anymore. And I will be changing this behavior to let's overcome this. And I heard that voice many a times during my military training, and it did not even happen once. It did not happen twice. It happened multiple times. Okay, जब हमें लगता था कि भाई I cannot do this anymore. And what the army eventually taught me wasn't how to silence that voice. It actually taught me something much more useful. You do not have to believe your mind every time it tells you to stop. Because sometimes your mind is tired, sometimes it is scared, and sometimes it is actually overwhelmed. Or, kai baar, it is simply just uncomfortable. And let me tell you, these are very four different situations: scared, overwhelmed, uncomfortable. Okay. And that's probably one of the biggest lessons military training gave me about mental strength. And today I want to share that lesson with you. Because देखो lessons अगर सीखे हैं तो दूसरों के साथ share करने में क्या problem है. And I learned how mental strength is not what I thought it was. Because जब हम छोटे होते हैं, I had a very simple idea about mental strength. I thought mentally strong people were people who did not get affected. या फिर those people who don't cry, they don't get nervous, they don't doubt themselves, they don't complain, they just keep going. But actually military training taught us a different definition, because you realize very quickly that you are still human, and you will get tired, you will get irritated, you will get overwhelmed, you will be missing your home, you will get frustrated at times. कई बार आपके कपड़े सुखाने के लिए आप डालते हो, वो कपड़े वापस ही नहीं मिलेंगे, वहाँ से किसी ने उठा लिए होंगे. समटाइम्स यू हैव बैड डेज, पूरे दिन आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. समटाइम्स यू विल क्वेश्चन योर सेल्फ सो मच. And the difference isn't that you stop feeling those things. The difference is that you learn what to do while you are feeling all these feelings. And that's much more a useful definition of mental strength, which I learned there. Let's go one by one, all the lessons I have learned about mental strength. Lesson number 1: do not make a permanent decision in a temporary state. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? But this is one of the most useful things I learned. जैसे when you are exhausted, जब आप थके हुए हो, everything feel worse. A small problem will look like a huge problem. A mistake will look like a disaster. A difficult day starts feeling like this. Maybe I'm not capable of doing this. But sometimes you don't need a life decision. You just need sleep, maybe, You have not slept last night. Or sometimes you might need food. मान लो कि mess out हो गया 2 मिनट में. खाया ही नहीं है कुछ. You need 10 minutes of silence. Sometimes you need to finish today's task and then reassess tomorrow again. That's when I actually learned that I have to be very careful about the decisions I make when I'm emotionally or physically exhausted. Because a tired mind is not always a truthful mind. And I wish ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यंग लोग इस बात को समझ पाएँ. ठीक है, आप लोगों के साथ क्या होता है? यू विल फेल एन एग्ज़ाम, यू विल गेट रिजेक्टेड. ठीक है, किसी ने आपके मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं किया मान लो, या फिर कि बहुत ही गंदा दिन है, आप सुबह से मतलब सबसे झाड़ सुन रहे हो, या फिर हर कोई आपको डांट रहा है, एंड सडनली यू आर मेकिंग कंक्लूजन्स अबाउट योर होल लाइफ, योर एंटायर लाइफ ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स. डोंट गेट थ्रू द डे फर्स्ट, थिंक अबाउट लाइफ टुमारो. उसी दिन मत सोचो. ओके. लेसन नंबर 2 इज ब्रेक द प्रॉब्लम डाउन. हमेशा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम की तरफ मत देखो, छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स में उसको डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करो. सो मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग टीचेज यू समथिंग वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, that when something feels enormous, do not stare at the entire mountain. पहाड़ को मत देखो. Look at the next step. अगला step कहाँ रखना है ये देखो. What's the next thing I need to do? You don't have to look at how am I going to survive the next 6 months in academy. ये नहीं सोचना है. What you have to think is, what do I need to do right now? Okay? And this has helped me far beyond my army. Okay, especially I'll tell you, when I became a mother, life was so overwhelming. I was not, trying to solve the entire life. फिर me and my husband, we decided to do once day at a time. Because my husband was posted somewhere else. I was posted with the 8-month-old kid in a field station. ठीक है. So yes, sometimes we used to have difficult conversations. कई बार कुछ होता था, कई बार पूरा दिन my daughter used to be very irritated. Sometimes I had a difficult day at work. Sometimes it was just the periods जो मुझे overwhelm करते थे. ठीक है. So I actually learned how to take one step at a time, one day at a time. Because sometimes the reason you are quite overwhelmed isn't because of the problem is impossible. It is because you are trying to carry the entire future at once. वो मत करो. Don't look at the chunk of the problem. Break it down in smaller chunks. Okay. Lesson number 3 I learned is you don't always need to feel ready. Okay. And this one is actually very important because we live in a world where we are constantly told, wait until you are ready. Wait until you are fully prepared. But readiness is often created by doing. So you do not have to always become confident and then act. I want you to act and let the confidence come. दोनों में बहुत फ़र्क है. देखो, in training there are things I did not feel that I was prepared to do. जैसे मान लो पहली बार जब हमें रोप लेके गए थे दिखाने के लिए, I felt ये तो बहुत ऊंची रोप है, how am I going to do this? So at that point I learned that you have to go one step at a time. पहले आपको होल्ड करना सिखाते हैं रोप को, फिर आपको अपने पैरों से कैसे लॉक करना है रोप को वो सिखाते हैं. ठीक है. एंड देन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग वन स्टेप एंड दैट एक दिन आप सबसे ऊपर वाले पॉइंट पे होते हो. तो वॉज आई कंप्लीटली कॉन्फिडेंट? नो, बट आई वॉज अवेयर ऑफ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप कि इस जर्नी का नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है. अगर मैंने लॉक करना सीख लिया है तो मुझे अपने आप को पुल करना है ऊपर अब. ठीक है. So always look at what is the next step you are going to take. Lesson number 4 is don't let one bad day become your identity. Okay? So this is again something I really want to tell all the young people. You can have a terrible day. Okay? But that doesn't mean you are a terrible person. दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. You can fail sometimes, right? But that doesn't mean you are a failure in whole life. You can perform very badly on few days, but that doesn't mean you are incapable. You can lose, but you're not a loser. So in training, you get feedbacks. Sometimes it's little hard to hear. Sometimes you have made mistakes. But the objective isn't to sit there thinking, ki yaar, I'm so useless. The objective there is to assess what went wrong. And let me tell you, the distinction between the both is huge. So one is actually an attack on your personality, जहाँ पे आप अपने आप को label कर दे रहे हो कि I'm a failure. I'm not capable. ठीक है. Other one is actually an opportunity to learn. ठीक है. And I think that's actually one of the healthiest way to build mental strength. So you have to correct your behavior without destroying your self-worth. ठीक है. अपनी self-worth को खराब नहीं करना है बच्चों. ठीक है. And सबसे ज़्यादा हम खुद ही करते हैं. Don't be so harsh on yourself. Don't do that. Okay. Lesson number 5 is that you have to learn to function even when you don't feel great. Okay. And I'm not telling you to suppress your emotions. Actually, I'm telling you the opposite. You can acknowledge, you can accept that I'm having a bad day. Okay. Now, what is something which needs to be done? Because देखो, life does not wait for you to feel better. हो सकता है आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ है अभी एंड सितंबर में आपका सीरियस एग्जाम है. ठीक है. हो सकता है कि यू आर डिसअपॉइंटेड विद, अभी मान लो एफकैट का रिजल्ट आ गया एंड यू आर डिसअपॉइंटेड विद इट. सो डेज, there will be days when you will be anxious. There will be days when you will be angry on something. There will be days you will be simply exhausted. So mental strength doesn't mean that you have to say to yourself that I don't feel anything. It means you say, I feel this and I still choose what I do next. इसको बोलते हैं बच्चों इमोशनल कंट्रोल. ठीक है. इमोशनल एब्सेंस की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट इमोशनल कंट्रोल की बात कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. एंड मिलिट्री रिजिलियंस जो है ना, हम वहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस हमें यही सिखाती है कि कैसे आपको प्रिटेंड नहीं करना है, बट you should carry on with your duties. Okay. Lesson number 6 is stop negotiating with yourself, right? And this is a very powerful one. I'll tell you how. देखो, there will be moments when you know what is supposed to be done. ठीक है. एंड फिर आप अपने आप से नेगोशिएशन करने लग जाते हो. आई विल डू इट लेटर, मे बी टुमारो, आई एम टू टायर्ड टुडे, आई विल स्टार्ट इट ऑन मंडे. एंड समटाइम्स ऑल यू नीड इज कंपैशन. बट Sometimes you are simply negotiating with yourself because you don't want to be uncomfortable in that moment. So the training actually taught me how to recognize the difference between the two. So you have to ask yourself, am I genuinely unable to do this, or I simply don't want to do it? Okay, दोनों sentences में बहुत फर्क है, एंड ये सेम नहीं है. Genuinely unable to do it and I simply don't want to do it. And once you start finding out the difference, जब भी आपका कोई चीज़ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, you will actually become much more honest with yourself. Okay, lesson number 7 is you need people. Okay, so mental strength isn't about that I need no one, आई डोंट नीड एनी वन. अच्छा, मैंने आप लोगों को एक वीडियो में बताया था ना, हाउ व्हेन वी रन क्रॉस कंट्री तो हमें बडी पेयर्स में भागने के लिए बोला जाता है, सो दैट कि अगला बंदा आपको बगअप कर रहा है जब आप गिव अप करने के वाले फेज में होते हो. सो आर्मी एक्चुअली टीचेज यू वेरी क्विकली दैट टीम मैटर्स, पीपल अराउंड यू मैटर. ओके, सो द पर्सन हु इज बिसाइड यू मैटर्स, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू चूज करेक्टली. ठीक है, किसी सड़ियल बंदे को रख लोगे जो आपको पुल डाउन करता रहेगा, वो नहीं चाहिए. समटाइम्स यू नीड समवन स्ट्रॉन्गर देन यू. ठीक है, एंड देखो इसमें कोई शर्म नहीं फील होनी चाहिए. आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प डजंट मीन यू आर वीक. आई हैव बहुत झेला है मैंने इसमें, इसके चक्कर में हेल्प नहीं मांगी है मैंने. ठीक है, so sometimes the strongest thing you can say is I'm struggling and I need help, and that's okay. I learned it at a very later stage of my life, you know. Lesson number 8 is you learn more about yourself under pressure. So you don't really know how you behave under pressure until you will be under pressure. Then you will discover how patient you are, how good you are in your communication. When you are angry, are you able to speak to people? Whether you are panicking, whether you start blaming someone, or are you someone who actually take responsibility and then you start thinking clearly? And are you someone that whatever is happening, you keep going on? And that's why difficult experiences, when handled properly, they actually teach you things which comfort will never teach you. And not because suffering is something which is automatically very good. Okay, it is not, but difficulty actually reveals you to yourself, and once you know yourself, you can actually work on yourself more, right? Lesson number 9 is that mental strength is also knowing when to stop. Okay, and there is a very fine line between I need to push through this and I need to stop and recover. So mental strength isn't destroying yourself completely to prove that you are strong. Sometimes the strongest decision is recovery. Sometimes it is asking help, and sometimes it is walking away. Okay? So, you know, sometimes you have to just accept that something is not working. So imagine if you are in a relationship with someone and you feel it is very draining and it is not leaving you with any energy to focus on anything else in your life, then the goal isn't to become someone who can tolerate unlimited pain. The goal is to actually become someone who can respond intelligently to any difficulty in the life. दोनों में फ़र्क होता है बच्चों. ठीक है, सो ये नहीं सोचना है कि वो रिलेशनशिप मेरी वजह से ख़राब हो रहा है और मैं दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन नॉट लीव. Okay, and this is what the army really changed in me. If you ask me today that are you mentally stronger than what you were before army, I will say yes, but not because that I'm not someone who doesn't get overwhelmed. I still do. Not because I don't doubt myself. I still doubt myself, you know. Not because difficult things don't hurt me anymore. They do. The difference is I do not panic as quickly when life becomes difficult. I know that feelings will change. I know there will be difficult days. I know that one mistake is not the whole story. I know that I don't need to solve everything today only. And most important one, I know that the voice saying I cannot do this does not deserve the final word. So that's not kind of a final verdict in my own head. Okay. And if I mean, agar maan lo, if you are sitting in front of me and जैसे मान लो कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं और आप मुझे आके बोलते हो, मैम आई कांट डू दिस नाउ, आई वॉन्ट यू टू हेयर दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. ओके, अगर आपने मुझे आके बोला है कि मैम आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, देखो मैं आपको ये नहीं बोलूँगी यू कैन, येस यू कैन, ये नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से दिस बिकॉज मे बी genuinely you cannot do it right now. So what I'm going to ask you is, What exactly can't you do? And I want you to separate it. Are you tired? Are you scared? Or are you confused about the path you want to choose? Did you actually faced a failure? Are you feeling hurt because of something which has happened in your life? Or have you simply decided that because something is difficult, it must be impossible? कई बार हम अपने दोस्तों से भी सुन के बस डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि उससे नहीं हो पाया तो मुझसे भी नहीं हो पाएगा, ठीक है? Okay, so I'm not going to tell you that you have to be fearless. I will not tell you that you have to be invincible. You do not have to prove that you are stronger than everyone else. You just need to learn how to stay with yourself, even when things don't go your way. That is mental strength. ये होती है actual mental strength that you learn how to hold the fort. ये line बोली जाती थी हमारे यहाँ ना. And the army did not teach me how to become someone who never breaks. It actually taught me something so much more realistic. That when you bend, you can come back. So if you're bent, you can come back. You can bend and you can come back like a tree, okay? And when you fail, you can learn from it. When you are afraid of something, you can still move. When you are tired, you can rest and start again tomorrow. And when your mind tells you that I can't do it anymore or I can't, it is not in my capability, it is beyond me. Maybe you don't need to fight your mind. Maybe you just simply need to answer, okay, I hear you, but let's take the next step anyway. Because sometimes the mental strength isn't about feeling strong, it's knowing what to do when you don't feel like. And if you are going through a difficult phase right now, I hope you remember one single thing before we finish this video. Don't make your worst day responsible for defining your whole life. Remember that.